Agbára mi màmá kọ́ o. Àlùmọ́ríta. I too sweet, I too nice, my best show, I too shine. Agbára mi màmá kọ́ o. Àlùmọ́ríta. I too sweet, I too nice, my best show, I too shine. Agbára mi màmá kọ́ o. Àlùmọ́ríta. I too sweet, I too nice.
Hi everyone, welcome to Crossblock XTV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please don't forget to always check the notification button for all our news updates. Today is a special day. We know February 14 is a special day, and our update is from my beautiful, elegant, sophisticated child of God, one and only Queen Naomi Shilekunla. Yes, as we all know, love can be shown every day. Yes, it's not only for Valentine or whatever. I believe in show love every day. Anyone around you that needs love, show them love. It doesn't have to be Valentine alone. As you can see in this beautiful picture that my damsel is wearing, my Queen Naomi Shilekunla, she actually did this a photo shoot for her fans, just to show that, look, I love you guys. We know that she always loves us, and that is true, but no, she has to fall into the trend. You see my babe now, see the queen, see that shape. And to be honest, Ooni Of Ife, I'm so sorry, sir, you have missed a jewel. This woman is too much. She's composed with everything. She's a child of God. She's God-fearing, very humble, very patient, very smart, very intelligent, very, very intelligent. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comments. Hey, if you are feeling my queen in this video, in this picture, look at her. See my baby, see the queen. Omo talent, the red really suits her. I love the design. She has like a hood with so many wraps around her. Wow. Queen Naomi ṣe ti fẹ́ di model ni kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan, gbogbo bugai gan ti pọ̀ jù na. Now Queen Naomi wants to bust the enemy's head though. All those haters now. Maybe na sniper and I go doing last. So because this queen, you can see her in this other picture, she doesn't care. That posture means I don't care. You keep talking, but Queen Naomi doesn't give a hoot. She doesn't really care. And I just love her. She's happy, You can't say because you are not married again to the king or wherever, your life should be crumbled. No, life goes on, isn't it? Now, wow, and we all know that maybe Ooni Of Ife we don't text in babe, say, in queen, say, Happy Valentine's, sweetie, because this bombshell way Queen Naomi throw this morning, this afternoon, now girl, pepper them gang. She's just giving them vibes to vibes. You know what I mean? But wait a minute, let's do small approach. Please drop a comment. What do you think? Whose room is Baba going to sleep tonight? Because we all know that Valentine is a special day. That all the lovers will, they go posky. Which room will Ooni Of Ife sleep? Among those women, who will he choose? Abi, will he sleep in their middle and they'll be, they'll be going, I don't even know, one mama law after one another, one mama law ni turn by turn, because, and this is what I'm saying, yeah? All these women that got married to Ooni Of Ife, is it that they don't like, we know they are well-to-do, yeah, they are doing very fine for themselves, yeah, they are achievers. Is it that they don't like to have their own man, their man by their side, because it's Valentine period now? So what's going to happen? But I don't get it, because I don't understand. But anyway, we were online spectators and analysts. And another thing is, please drop a comment. The person will be say our own night now today. I think that's the queen that won jackpot too. Because today now special day. Hey, if we go be Queen Toby or olori Toby, she go pepper them for Instagram. Oh, hey, drop a comment down below, please. What do you think is going to have that night with Ooni Of Ife or Jaja second? Because we know that if it's the younger ones, they will pepper Babao, they will pepper the other Olori. You remember when Olori Toby Phillips had a chance that they invited the musician to the palace, the kissing and the romancing, you know that everywhere was blah blah. Hey, if Queen Toby is the one sleeping with Oba tonight, hey, Instagram no go hear what tomorrow. Anyway, stay tuned. God bless you. Drop your comment down below. Thank you so much. From Queen Naomi, she's saying happy Valentine to all her lovers. She appreciates you. We all the online in-laws. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. God bless you.
Agbára mi màmá kọ́ o, àlùmọ́rí ta. I too sweet, I too nice, I fẹ́ show, I too shine.